Afternoon, guys. Today we're gonna work on this Honda CR-V 2004 car. We're gonna do the rear brake pads and the service on this car. So first of all, we're gonna do the brake pads, the rear ones. Let's go. So I'm gonna jack up the car and put the jack stand in first. Then you need 19 mm socket and the gun. So you need to open this bolt first. For this one, you need impact socket and a hammer. You first bash it in. You loosen the top bolt. Same as the bottom. You try to force it anti-clockwise. So removing the bolts, you need 12 mm socket, ratchet, and the multi-grip plier. So I'm gonna hold the plier first, like that. Socket, loosen it a bit. Then I'll move to the bottom one. Same thing. So you put it on the side, like that. Yep. So we're gonna use 14 socket and half-inch ratchet. Like that. So I'm gonna clean this surface and put the copper grease on it, and then put the rotors, the new rotors. After cleaning up, putting the copper grease, we make sure the boards are aligned, and make sure you measure the disc as well, disc size and everything. Mostly I measure it with the old one, and this is how it goes back. Bolts in, make sure you tighten with the impact socket. So once you clean the pad, put it back. Tighten it. So always grease your sliding pins. So if you don't grease it up, it can cause uneven wear on the brake pads, because when they seize up, the brake pads doesn't move, and it causes uneven wear on the brake pad. So sometimes it's like the inner one is more, the size is like 2 mm, and the outer size is like 5-6 mm. So this is what cause. So make sure you grease it up. So I have lost my brake pad pusher tools. So what I will do is I will put it on somewhere. I will use the old brake pads and put it like this. I don't know if you're able to see. So like this, and there is a space in between. I'm gonna use this ply bar in between there, like that, like this way. and just force it through. So the new ones doesn't have the plate. So I'm gonna remove it from the old ones and put it on the new ones, because this sliding plate, if it's not there, sometimes it makes like noise. So on this car, the filter is on the top up here. If you're able to see that, there you go. There's your oil filter. So I'm gonna show you how to take the oil filter out with this tool. This is the clamp tool. You grab it from here. You put your drainer and you lose it with your hands. Then you get the new filter in. And you just go hand tight. So once you remove the oil filter and drain the oil, put the oil in. Once you put 2-3 liters of oil, start the car and check your dipstick, then you put more oil. This is how you check correctly. So it has to be up to the second dot, and now it has to reach the second dot. If you're able to see that, so it means the oil level is good. So that's pretty much about this service. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe my channel.